All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today's the second essentially amateur skills tutorial. We're going over 3 iconic Ronaldinho skill moves. We'll be looking at the Elastico, the Hocus Pocus, and the split spin. Hope you enjoy the video. All right, Ronaldinho's split spin move is perfect when you're in a 1v2 situation and you're isolated alone. You kind of want to stall a bit and then split the 2 defenders. So your first step is to cut the ball back at an angle, let this defender commit a little bit, and then you're spinning around and one touch through both defenders. All right, Hocus Pocus is probably one of the more advanced skills that Ronaldinho's done. There's essentially 3 steps to this move. First thing you're gonna do is step over the ball with your left foot. Next touch, inside of the right foot to the left side of your body, and then snap it with the outside of your right foot. 3 steps, but 2 touches on the ball, all with the right foot. Inside and then outside. You're gonna get that defender thinking you're going this way, and you're taking the ball to the right. You're gonna step over the ball, touch the ball with the inside of your foot to the left, and then snap it with the outside of that same foot, real quick. I'm gonna do it slow first. Step, boom, boom. You're touching the ball twice, and it's gotta be quick touches, boom, boom. Boom, boom. The defender's thinking you're going one way, you're snapping the ball the opposite way and taking off. Perfect for down the sideline or at the inline when you're 1v1. The trick to this skill move is distance away from the defender and your timing. You don't want to be having the ball going too fast when you're doing this move, or else you're not going to be under control. It's perfect when it's barely moving or it's just sat still, stagnant. All right, last but not least, the famous Elastico. Like the Hocus Pocus, there's 2 touches, but now we're not stepping over the ball with our left foot. And the first touch is with the outside, and then you're snapping it back the opposite direction with the inside of your foot. Here it goes. Outside, snap it with the inside. Pushing that ball with the outside of our foot and then snapping it back with the inside. Here we go. In a way, it's 2 touches, but once you get really good at it, it turns into one fluid motion, one snap of the ball. So just practice, boom, boom, with 2 touches, outside, inside. Kind of a tap with the outside and then chop it with the in. Outside, inside. And then as you practice, as you progress, it's just fluid motion. This one has many names. People call it the Elastico, the flip flap, the snake. Regardless, it's Ronaldinho's Elastico. Boom, boom.